Okay, this time we're just gonna walk down this road. I'm gonna give you a couple of highlights as well before we begin. And so we'll do the credits and then we'll come back and do a couple of highlights, and then we're gonna show you this new one. And the new one, we're just gonna be walking directly down this road. And that's water and the beach at the end of it.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's just kind of walk towards the beach first, and I think later we're gonna be able to kind of want to show you these old housing soon, but I want to show a couple different things first before I do. So let's just kind of come back over this way. So there's this whole trail over this way, and it has some beautiful. So yeah, there's this other street, just like a one-way street too. I guess like kind of want to walk it, just kind of see what's here. I also kind of want to show you the coastal trail behind me too, but looks cool. Huh. So this is the main one. So all these houses, they have that back road, and they also have this front road. But all this is public parking and everything like that. So and I guess that makes sense. They must go around back and park over there. So we're gonna try to do next is show you that coastal trail a little bit. And then when you get up here, you have sort of coastal trail. So this is kind of the corner of how it all fits together a little bit based on that little thing. So what I'm going to do is go up a little bit more, put things in context a little bit. Then I'll probably do a separate video where I just walk down that main road. So it's the entrance to this coastal trail. And then yeah, the coastal trail is pretty cool. So you got all these giant rocks, and you got this view, people fishing, and that trail goes down quite a ways. So and it's like right out here, a lot of people will sit for pictures. Amazing. And we're gonna go a little further before we end this one. Hey, welcome back. So you get to see some of the video clips of some of the other ones. And this particular one, we're just gonna walk straight down this road. And one of the highlights you're gonna see is there's a lot of park benches, so you can sit along here. And there's a lot more shade coming up too, so once we hit that, it'll be more comfortable. And way down there is Haksa Beach. So that is all the way, that's Haksa Beach all the way like that, all the way down to there. It's at least a couple kilometers. And the other thing I'm going to highlight too is the houses to the left. So let's just kind of check those out. So this is kind of like a whole row of all these houses, right? They're kind of like big balconies, several layers of balconies. Quite amazing actually. Now we got some nice shade. And yeah, people can park here. There's public parking, so there's when you see these P's like this, it means that it's public parking. So anybody can pay. If you're curious, it's every day 9 to 12, and I believe it's like 6 mop, and what is it? 6 mop. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I think like it's about maybe, I don't know. I think usually you get like 2 hours, and maybe it's like $1.50 in American dollars, 12 Hong Kong dollars, something like that. I might be wrong. So we're gonna keep on strolling through. So yeah, there's Hac-Sa, so you can kind of see some of the sailboats now. And in a minute, I'm gonna I'll focus back on the housing again. So that's some of the housing that you can stay in right there. I mean, well, you can't stay in it, but people live there. So, okay. And I think later we're gonna go all the way to the beach, so maybe what we'll do is we'll just kind of show you some of those houses again. And basically these houses go all the way down. And there's also a backside as well. That's Hac-Sa. So okay. Okay, so we're kind of coming to the end of this. There's like a little marina here. There's a bunch of you can see more of the beach as well, a little bit closer to that. And that's the coastal trail that we just did. Those are some of those, more of those colonial houses. They go all the way down, so the whole stretch of them all the way down. So I think we're gonna end it right there for this one. Okay, this is the backside. So this is the what it looks like from here. So you can see this is Haksa Beach. So the other videos that I was doing were all over there on that coastal trail over there on the edge. Then you can see all the housing that were all along here on the coastal trail. And then this is Haksa Beach, so it's quite busy all the way around in here. So here we are on the other side. This is Haksa Beach, so you can see all the people. And we're just gonna zoom in. So over there is all those housings, and we were over there. And that little trail has all these houses all the way down. Then that's the coastal trail that goes around there. So let's see if we can zoom in further. Nope, as much as we can zoom in. So let's kind of put this back in context. So yeah, we were basically all over there. Now you get an idea. So okay.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.